on behalf of the ministry, we would like to thank the Chinese government and the ambassador for donating these valuable supplies to fight the COVID in Guyana. It came at a timely time where we are all coming together to approach this virus from all angles and to support the ministry going forward. So thank you very much.
I'm very happy to be here to share information with you all. I want to tell you 2 weeks ago, I had a conversation with the Honorable Minister, Frank Astley, about the fight against COVID-19. We learned that there is difficulty in Guyana, especially about the machine, because now we should get a new machine to accelerate or expedite the process. The new machine could reduce time from 9 hours to 2 hours. Yeah. That means really we need this machine. Thanks to the leadership of Minister, and you showed me how can we do things together. So I asked Chinese community, the company here in Guyana, and also I asked the help from the Jiangsu province. You know, the medical brigade is from Jiangsu province. I asked them whether they can help us to get this machine, because this machine also is produced in Jiangsu province. I'm very happy to tell you that I get a quick reply from them, from Chinese community here, Chinese business in China, and also the Chinese provincial government. So today we make this reality. I think that really is very, very important for Guyanese people to fight against COVID-19. We think that we work together, and I do believe that we could win the final victory. And I want to introduce the Chinese community here, the president of Chinese Association. This is our old president. He's Chinese Guyanese. And also Mr. Chen is the president in Guyana, doing the business here about timber industry, right? And also Jason Wang, he's also Chinese Guyanese. They are taking the lead to help Guyanese people. And also these 2 guys from China Medical Brigade. They arrived here last Saturday. And also they help us to install the machine. Now the machine is in commission. Thank you. And also the president of Chinese, the whole business president, new president, he also arrived here last week. And I think that really they are working hard. This is really the testimony and also very good evidence for the Chinese here to work with Guyana. And Minister, thank you. I'm very happy we have very good results. We discussed in detail, but now we make it a reality. Yes. And I hope that we could work together. Also, we still have difficulties. The Chinese community here, we are working hard to try to do more things to fight this COVID-19. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Ambassador. P.S. Ambassador, you have a very large delegation here. Yeah. Members of the media. We are very pleased with this donation. As you know, one of the things that we have been talking about is how we can improve the testing capacity at the National Public Health Reference Lab. And as you know, we still have a challenge in how long it takes to process the samples that we do receive. As it is right now, we still take about 8 to 9 hours in terms of processing a batch. And with the help of Ambassador, we had a discussion not so long ago, maybe about 2 weeks ago, Ambassador? Yeah. About 2 weeks ago, we had a discussion. And during that discussion, Ambassador said to me that he's going to see how he can help us, because he understood the challenges that we were facing. And as you can see, those discussions were quite fruitful, because within 2 weeks, we were able not just to talk about the machine, but to actually have that machine here in Guyana. So this here is going to automate the process of extracting the virus from the sample to help us to amplify it so that we can be able to process these tests in a faster way. We estimate that once the machine is up and running, that the processing time would be reduced to about 2 hours. So we would be able to do at least 96 samples within 2 to 3 hours. And that would be a remarkable achievement, which means that we can run even more batches during an 8-hour shift. So we are very, very grateful to the government of China. And not only did we receive the machine, but as you can see here, there are a number of reagents that came with the machine. And so this is going to help us to expedite the test results at the National Public Health Reference Lab. So I just want to express the gratitude of the government of Guyana to Ambassador, and I'm sure he's going to convey that to colleagues in China for the machine and the reagents that we have received. We are also pleased to welcome the Chinese brigade that came in last week. And as you know, we have had an ongoing partnership with China where we are getting in medical specialists that would normally come to Guyana and assist us in the area of medicine. So we have a new brigade that came in last week, and they would be working in various hospitals to ensure that we can provide quality health care in Guyana. So I just want to extend a warm welcome to the colleagues who have just come in.
I'm the leader of the new brigade.
Yeah. So thank you very much. Thank you all.